Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Linux, the current working directory refers to the directory in which the user is currently working. This directory is important as it determines the location where commands will be executed unless a full path is specified. To display the current working directory in Linux, you can use the pwd command. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to display the current working directory in Linux. 1. Open a terminal. You can open a terminal by searching for terminal in the applications menu or by using the keyboard shortcut ctrl+alt+t. 2. Type the pwd command. Once you are in the terminal, simply type pwd and press enter. This command stands for print working directory and will display the full path of the current working directory. 3. View the output. After running the pwd command, you will see the full path of the current working directory printed on the terminal screen. Example. In this example, the output of the pwd command is /home/user/documents, indicating that the current working directory is /home/user/documents. By using the pwd command, you can easily identify the current working directory in Linux and navigate through the file system with confidence.